So what was the most valuable thing you learned from this year's BPW?
So the most valuable thing we learned from this year's BPW is that there's no excuses. We have to take extreme ownership of everything in our business. Every role has to take extreme ownership of their roles and responsibilities. And if we all work together, we're going to have a great 2026.
I think the importance of departmentalizing and making sure all your departments are in order.
It's the same thing that I learn every year. It's so great to meet the contractors here and learn from them, and that's the biggest thing I always take away is meeting new people, seeing what they're doing, and learning how to grow and innovate.
The most valuable thing I learned at this year's BPW was that I need to be coaching my guys instead of managing them.
The most valuable thing I learned is that when you're keeping track of your data properly and going down to the team, you're able to make really good decisions about your company and purchasing and just budget overall. So that was a really good thing.
I think the most valuable thing with these events is just learning from all the other companies that come in from all over the country. Learning different things from them, how they operate their business, how they build their budgets, how they lead their teams. I think it's probably the most valuable thing that we get out of this.
I think the most valuable thing is just figuring out the different ways that different companies do certain things, processes, things like that. So that was nice.
I think the most valuable thing that I took away from this year's